In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Ssemble. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a shareable link to your project so teammates can jump in quickly and work alongside you. We'll keep it simple, clear, and efficient. First, start by logging into Ssemble. Use the account you normally work from so your projects and permissions are consistent. If you're part of a team workspace, make sure you're in the correct one before moving forward. This ensures the link you generate later behaves the way you expect within your organization's setup. Once you're in, open your project in the editor. You'll want to be inside the full editing interface, not just the project list or a preview page. Take a quick moment to confirm everything looks right, your timeline, assets, and any drafts you've prepared. It's a good habit to save your latest changes so collaborators see the most up-to-date version the moment they join. Now look toward the upper right corner of the editor. You'll find a menu labeled More. This is where Ssemble groups several project actions that relate to sharing and management. Open that menu to reveal additional options that aren't visible on the main toolbar. From the More menu, select Copy Link. Ssemble will immediately place a direct link to your project onto your clipboard. You won't see a big pop-up or new page. It's a quick action designed to keep you in your workflow. If you want to double-check, paste the link into a blank note to confirm it copied correctly. With the link copied, it's time to share the project link. Paste it wherever your team communicates: chat, email, a project management card, or a team document. Add a short note so collaborators know what you want them to review or edit, and specify any deadlines or expectations. Keep in mind that access depends on your workspace and project settings. If someone can't open the link, they may need to be part of your team or have the appropriate permissions enabled in your environment. When in doubt, share the link with a small test group first to verify everything is working as intended. That's all it takes. Log in, open your project in the editor, go to the upper right and select More. Click Copy Link, and then share that project link with your team. Using this simple flow keeps collaboration fast and reliable, helps avoid version confusion, and gets everyone aligned